Assalomu alaykum, xush keldinglar. Bugungi videoda sizlarga Kanadaga kelishning yana bir yo'li chegaradan qonunsiz atlab o'tishni ko'rsatmoqchi. Yana mayada bir video uchrab qolganda sizlar bilan tang o'rtoqlashay deb o'yladim. Nima deganda bu Amerika tarafdan Kanadaga chegaradan o'tadiganlar panoh tilaydiganlar asosan hammasi biladi ekan bu yo'lni. Hatto bu yo'lninki maxsus panohlanuvchilarninki yer osti maxfiy temir yo'li degan nomi bor ekan bu yo'lninki. Bu yo'l qanday yo'l ekan desanlar kishilar odatda Nyu-Yorkdan avtobusga o'tirib Plattsburgga boradi ekan. Ya'ni yo'lda bir gas station, may qashlash punkti o'sha yerda tushib qoldi ekan. Tushib qolgandan keyin o'sha yerda nurg'un taksi shoferlari bor ekan. Hammasi biladi ekan bu yerda tushib qolganlarning aniq maqsadini, ya'ni shu Kanada tarafga chegaradan qonunsiz o'tmoqchi bo'lganligini. Ashla taksi orqali shu chegaradagi chegara oyog'iga olib qo'ydi ekan. Mushu yo'l orqali Kanada tarafga o'tgan Uyg'urlarimiz bor bizning aramizda. Shunlashqa sizlar bilan tang o'rtoqlashay dedim. Hech bo'lmaganda bir anglab qolsizkan, shunday yo'llar bor ekan demoqchi, hamda bu yo'lni tavsiya qilmasammi? Sizlarni bir anglab qolsizkan dedim. Hamma videoni birlikda ko'rib boqaylik.
A cab on Roxham Road only means one thing.
Roxham Road'da taksi uchib qolsangiz uning birla maqsadi, ya'ni shu chegaradan o'tish demoqchi. Bunu taşninki nersiga o'tib ketsam shu Kanada taraf oyoqda Kanadaniki soqchilari vaqirab turadi ekan, ma tashning bersiga o'tsang, chegaradan qonunsiz o'tgan bo'lsan, qo'lga ilinsan deb. Bular aniq bilib tursimu, shu ikki qo'lni ko'targan holda av tarafga o'tadi ekan, Kanada tarafga.
The first two men out of the car take the few steps into Canada with their arms stretched up.
Sir, you're under arrest.
One man drops to his knees. Where are you coming from?
You can't cross your international border.
You can't go.
Ma'am, where are you coming from? A mother, a young girl, their worldly possessions crammed into suitcases and plastic bags. The family, young child you can see over there. We were on Facebook Live when one of the men who crossed over realized he'd left his luggage on the American side.
You cannot go back.
No, you can't.
No, you can't. You
Come
can't.
here.
How we doing? How many did you have? 6. 4 males.
Mao Amerika tarafninki soqchisi oyoqda bir o'tib bo'lib chamadonni Amerika tarafda unutib qolibdi. Shuning bilan soqchilar o tarafga qaytib o'tsang bo'lmaydi, mansang bo'lmaydi debdi. Chamadonni unutib qolibdi majidda.
Female and a little one. All right, perfect. Thank you.
The men put in handcuffs and frisked. All will be taken to the legal border crossing just down the way for health and security checks before they make their claim for asylum. This is one of 5 to 6 buses that comes in every day from New York City to Plattsburgh.
Har kuni 5 dan 6 gacha avtobus shu Nyu-Yorkdan Plattsburgh ketmoqchi to'xtaydi ekan.
People here telling me that quite often these buses are loaded up with people who are about to make the journey illegally crossing the border at a place called Roxham Road. In fact, the cab drivers often hang out here in order to pick these people up and take them to the stretch of the border where they run across into the arms of the RCMP.
Nima deganda shu avtobusga chiqqan kishilarning ko'pincha sammasi shu Kanada tarafga qonunsiz chegaradan o'tishni maqsad qilgan holda kelgan ekan. O'shadagi taksi shoferlari hammasi biladi ekan. Bu da Roxham Road degan shu chegara eg'isiga olib boradigan yerga bordi ekan.
What countries are they coming from?
Oh, you name it, from Yemen, from Turkey, from Africa, all corners of Africa.
Kishilar Yamandan, Turkiyadan, Afrikaning hamma joylaridan kelgan ekan. Qayerdan kelding deb so'raganda.
Middle East, Arabs, all of them.
Middle East. O'tir Sharqdan, Arab tarafdan.
How much do you charge to get down there?
Shu taksi shofer qancha pul verding deydi.
It depends. The maximum is $60, $50.
I heard there was a guy that was trying to charge $500.
Odatda taksi shoferlari shu gas station nimdan may qashlash punktidan chegara oyog'iga olib qo'ydiganga odatda $50 dan $60 pul oladi ekan. Oyda bir taksi shoferi hatto $500 so'raganim bor ekan.
That's the guy sitting over there.
Which one?
That guy sitting over there.
That's him.
Yeah.
He's charging a lot.
Cezanı
And as I'm there, that northern taxi driver pulls up to collect a young woman in bare legs and a knapsack getting off the bus. Sleepy Plattsburgh, New York, population 20,000, has become the go-to destination on the so-called Underground Refugee Railroad.
So-called Underground Refugee Railroad. Plattsburgh degan mayada taxminan 20 mingdek aholi bor ekan. Mayaniki Roxon Road degan o'sha yo'lni to'g'riliq gap qiladi.
Ironically, the road to Canada, Roxham Road, is accessed by North Star Road, and almost every cab that drives this stretch is prepared for this.
If they see a cab up here, we get pulled over.
You get pulled over if they see a cab.
So, it is illegal to enter Canada this way. You're supposed to go through a port of entry. Okay?
You're supposed to go to port of entry. Udulaşı nemiga bargan yana көстүп койдык Канаданыкы port entry. Сакчылар yolunu көстүп койду экен таксиларны тосап. Аякка доолмаң сен деп.
The cab drives the last few meters to the end of the dead-end road. The young man and a distraught older couple repeat the words Canada, Canada, as the Canadian police tell them they're safe.
Muşu video şu sizlarga ko'rsatmoqchi. Taksi shopilari shu 4-5 metr qag'chilik toshning qishiga opirib qo'ydi ekan. Keyin Kanada tarafga o'tgandan keyin ham Kanadaniki saqchilari bularniki panohlik tilash maqsad ekanligini bilgandan keyin ham sizlar hozir safe, sizlar hozir bexatar deydi ekan. Muşu sizlar bilan o'rtoqlashmoqchi bo'lgan videoim sizlarni anglab qolsin dedim. Agar birinchi qatim videomni ko'rayotgan bo'lsangiz, kanalimga obuna bo'lishni unutmang. Menga har haftada yangi videolar chiqib turadi. Yandagi kichik murah belgisini yechib qo'ying, obuna bo'lib do'stlaringizga tavsiya qilib qo'ying. Ko'rayotgan vaqtingizda bundaq barmoq belgisini bosib qo'yasiz, ustiga qaraganda. Ishlaringiz yaxshi bo'lsin, Xudoyim omonat etsin.